So can I have your names and which company you all are from?
I am Vikas Bhagat from eMind Technologies.
My name is Tapan from eMind Technologies.
So how do you feel that today your efforts have been recognized in such a magnificent manner?
It's a great honor to receive award from Shashi Tharoor. It's a great honor. I feel very good. I feel very good.
How do you feel that your efforts have been recognized? All the efforts that you've put all these years into your company. How do you feel that is, finally people are seeing it?
No, I feel very happy, and the best part is, our company which is into training, and training the guys who are from, 10th standard and all, making them an engineer and placing in one of the best companies like Wipro, HCL and all. And today our, efforts has been recognized. I feel very happy about it. Thanks.
So how do you feel that you shared a platform with such a great person like Mr. Shashi Tharoor?
Actually, I am feeling very proud to be getting this award from Mr. Shashi Tharoor, because my aim was to getting the best in hardware networking. Because see, the thing is, like, people are coming from the 10, 12, they didn't find, or BA, BCom, non-technical background, they didn't find jobs in the market. So basically we are providing a platform for them to get into this industry and to be a professional. So I feel very happy when we place a student in the company and they are seeing the like the comments from them, like they are non-technical background, now they are earning a very good package like in HP and all. So basically they are from BA, BCom, now they have done the course and now they are getting 10 lakh package. So I feel very happy with them because of these things, because for us and providing the platform for them to be a good professional. That's why. And Brands Academy, thanks to them to recognize us for this and giving them opportunity for this.
I want to say something. See, taking a student who is non-technical, making him an IT professional, getting him a level of salary where 3.5 to 5.5 lakhs has been placed, it's a great honor. Taking a guy who's in a BE or diploma, it's always you can place him in with a good salary. But taking a non-technical guy who's 10th and 12th pass, making him an engineer or a professional, from students to professional, that's what our company does. And today our efforts been recognized. I feel very happy.
So do you have any message for our audience?
Thanks. And all the students who are or all the audience who have somebody who wants to be in hardware and networking field, we are the company. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Thank you.